Hey guys, so I'm here with my grocery haul for this week. The only thing I bought at Walmart were these antibacterial hand wipes. I'm going to put this little can in the car. And the rest is from Aldi. So we got some strawberries, blueberries, some bananas. And then this is my first time buying this stuff. It's the basil pesto tortellinis. So I'm going to make that for dinner one night. Some cinnamon rolls, some squeezable applesauce. We got a pineapple, a watermelon, 2 things of chicken corn chowder, a cantaloupe, a gallon of 2% milk for Trevor, some hash browns, shredded hash browns, shredded mild cheddar cheese, some of this ready to serve rice, and a cheese pizza. So we didn't really need that much this week, but that's our little haul. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.